My name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share with you how to make this cute butterfly from cantaloupe to decorate fruit platters. I cut my cantaloupe in half. To remove seeds, I like to use ice cream scoop. We need cut slice symmetrical as possible. To make wings, I make just 2 simple cuts. Of course, we can add more creative touches to butterfly wings. To make antenna for my butterfly, I cut out narrow piece from the top, but antenna is optional for butterfly. Now is important step. Try to cut exactly on the middle. I leave some skin, not cut. If skin flexible enough, it holds butterfly together. Mine was holding just for the moment, but as you can see, it's not necessary. Visit my website. I have almost 70 pages of food decor and so many photos. Thank you for watching.